Hello everyone, welcome to my Kizer channel. My name is Mark and today we'll have another video. Uh, I will do this video also at this episode that I'm doing it about the high dividend stocks. That is grow up and give it to you a good dividend. So like you get profit from two things at the same time. You get a profit from the stock and you get a profit from the dividends. The cash free to reinvest it again or you take it to yourself. It's actually like most of these videos, the most of people like asking me about it, and there's like the top watchers. I'm still new, like 1 week. I opened this channel from 1 week, and like these videos keep growing up. So I'm trying to give it to you all my stocks, which give it to you like a high dividends. I have a lot. I'm trying to like invest a lot at the dividends to get a cash free without the stocks. Okay, I'm care about the stocks to grow up, but the main point is that to get a dividends or to not lose. The worst thing is to lose. If it stay constant or go up, this one is good to reinvest on it. But if it go down, this point that's like no, I will not take this risk. So let's get started with the fifth video about the high dividend stock. Today I have a good one, a good company that is like moving so fast and is actually good to invest in it. The name of it is NLY Capital. That's for also for real estate. I believe it's in New York. This company is actually grow up so fast, get all the lows. Look at the 1 day, give it like they're not losing. 0.36 is good. 1 week they like up. Past months it's almost like gonna get all the like all what they lose. And like I'm actually like I'm invested in something like that for 3 months, 1 year, 5 years, something like that. You see how they grow up 17%. I'm gonna show you how many dividends they give it to you, how much dividends they give it to you. 1 year, we know what happened at February. I discussed already at all my videos. All of that happened because of coronavirus. As for that, they go down. So I believe they're gonna get all the money back. They're gonna turn back to 10 very soon. So look at the dividends. 10.89. Imagine what is 10.89. That's like if you bought $1,000, you get $100 every year. That's outside the profit from the stock. Because if the stock go up, you'll not get 100. You're gonna get like 120, 130. It depends about if they grow up. If they go up and the stocks is the same number, the dividend is the same number. So instead they're gonna give it to you about 8. No, they're gonna give it to you about 10. Or like 8, 10, 12, something like that. They're gonna give it to you more money. If you buy 1,000, if you buy more than 1,000, that's like a free money. Look about the buy is 77%, hold 23%, sell 0. Everyone like try to invest on it because now we turn back to real estate again. COVID is kind of I wish to be done. It's still like affecting in the companies, but not like before. It's not like before. So now they turn back again. Get their money back, like get all the profits back. They're almost there. So yeah, this one is actually good to invest on it. I bought on it like $24. I'm waiting to the day for that I will get a dividend on it. Look also here at Yahoo Finance. Look at this. Top ranked income stocks to buy for February 25th. That's from Yahoo Finance, and they bought this company and capital on it, which is good. That means this company like everyone gonna try to go and buy the stocks on it. I invest on it like for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I get like 2% until now. 2%. Yeah, it shows like 50 cents, but because I bought like $25 only. But yeah, 2%, which is good. You're not losing money, and the dividends you're gonna get it by itself outside this money. So if you like this video, add it down below. Hit the smash dislike, like motivate me to continue. And have a great day, guys.